At under $25, most USB Type C earbuds are actually not all that great. That said, OnePlus have created an awesome pair of wired USB-C earbuds that really are great for the price. An upgrade over the Bullets V2 that include a 3.5mm port. If you've ever owned those, you'll know exactly what to expect with the USB Type C Bullets. I'm a huge fan of the packaging, which includes 2 spare pairs of silicone tips so that you can find the perfect fit for your ears. At this low price, there isn't a carry case that comes with the headphones, but I didn't expect it at this price point. That said, it may be worthwhile picking one up. Now, the earbuds themselves have a sort of minimal industrial design, with each earbud embossed with the L and R logo alongside a small textured module. The flat anti-tangle cable is a good length, and the mic controls are basic but decent enough in general usage. To be honest, there isn't really much more to the OnePlus Type C Bullets than that. Now, the sound quality is another question entirely. They come with a built-in Cirrus Logic DAC, which makes them compatible with most USB-C interfaces. That should mean compatibility with laptops and tablets, including the new iPad Pro and the MacBook Pro laptops. Personally, coming from the TicPods 3, which are my main headphones, I found the sound nice and full with a solid top volume, but they do lack a real punch, especially with bassy tracks in my opinion. The mids and highs hold up well, and there is little distortion. As someone who listens to a wide array of music, I'm happy with the entire sound profile for the price. One thing I will say is that these headphones can get almost uncomfortably loud without any distortion. Take a little listen. Naturally it won't do justice, but it's some sort of indication of what to expect at the very least. Beyond audio, I found call quality to be acceptable and great for loud environments, but I had to talk a little louder for the inline mic to really pick up my voice. Now, clearly the most compelling aspect of the Type C Bullets must be the price. They are an excellent buy as a backup pair of earbuds for anyone not willing to get into the murky Bluetooth market. If you'd like to check the OnePlus Type C Bullets out, then I'll leave direct links in the description. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Google and Android related content, but until next time, this is Damien for 9to5Google saying thanks again for watching, and I will speak to you later.